Welcome to the channel, Jaden Chase, and these are some of the top stories making headlines today. Now, of course, condolences to the 3 victims who lost their lives at the deadly shooting that took place at a Springfield football match in St. Catherine. Now, police have theorized that missing illegal weapons are behind the motive for the deadly shooting. Now, video footage has started to circulate social media that showcase what took place. I'm going to see what going on, and then, of course, we'll continue the reasoning nation. Look and listen.
Hello? Which part of the in Japan phone are going on? Which part of the can collect our phone?
Yo, the man come over and come shot.
Yes, I don't think you. When you drop that,
He drop and the man
come over and Hello? Yeah? Somebody drop them phone. You can collect it for them, please. Which part? But they right from the bar field down a back goal. Which part you there? Which part you there? Hello? Are you come to phone? Jumpy, yeah? So you go get shot, man. All sports mash up. 3 dead body and Figo get shot.
Now, law enforcement has stated that based on information in their possession, one of the deceased was indeed the intended target, an individual called Squire. Now, the other 2 individuals seem to be innocent individuals. As think about it, this is a football competition. Innocent people are definitely going to be at this scene. Now, they said he was caught up in the missing illegal weapons, and this was stated by P0lice to journalists at the scene of the incident. Police stated that the incident happened about shortly after 5, while the competition was in full swing. It is understood that cars pulled up, a Toyota Mark X and a white Nissan Teda. Gunmen alighted from the vehicle and just opened fire at spectators. 9 in total were injured, 3 being fatal, including the reported target, an innocent man and an innocent woman. Now talk to me. These type of deadly attacks we see them happen frequently. And in these type of situations, when individuals are settled their own personal feuds, the place them where them catch these individuals is with other innocent people, and them still not care. And it is being reported that the illegal weapons trade is valued in the high millions. So these weapons individuals are used to take the lives of innocent Jamaican citizens value hundreds of thousands. These weapons we are coming to the island value millions. All them are reach when people are finding it so hard to clear 7 barrels full of food. Guns can come into the island, but it's expensive. A piece of machine or machinery could help your business grow. Talk to me. On to the other stories making headlines today. Now also making headlines, mother of Donna Donaldson, Miss Sophia Lugg, has thanked all the people who came out to support her and her family during this situation. She thanked members of the media for continuing to bring awareness to the situation being faced by her family and the situation of Donna Donaldson's injustice. Now, she also said it was heartless how Mr. Maitland stated that he wanted to be released out on bail because he misses his daughter and that his daughter has not been the same since the situation. She's stating that she has not seen her daughter since the night her daughter went to visit him. She says he should remain where he is until he and his accomplices confess and tell law enforcement what they have done with her baby girl. She also stated that the end will be bitter for all of the savages who brutally took the life of my daughter. Now, of course, Miss Lugg is still grieving, as is the entire family. We continue to see Uncle Neil out there. No matter what the weather or the situation, Uncle Neil out there. Him said this at the 3rd time, I think, a situation like this has taken place with a member of his family, where their lives were taken at the hands of what they believe is law enforcement. And now, based on the evidence in this particular case, law enforcement themselves are saying crime did indeed take place. Them say based on forensic evidence, something happened at the apartment. As it pertains to the body, them don't know. We see different information being circulated, which is also in the possession of law enforcement. And that is why, of course, no bail can be granted. And if Mr. Maitland see compassion and I use him daughter, remember, Miss Lugg did it. She want justice for her daughter. It don't make no sense. And it clearly made no sense in the eyes of the law. And Mr. Maitland remains behind bars. Now tell me, do you think that maybe his baby mother has already confessed or should confess? Because based on the situation right now, she should be an individual who can relate to Miss Lugg. She's a mother and a mother of a daughter. She's supposed to see it from the point of view of Miss Lugg. So maybe it is true and she has indeed cooperated with law enforcement and has given them key pieces of information which led to the recovery of forensic and other key pieces of evidence now being used against Mr. Maitland. Some have long suspected that maybe he's covering up, seeing that if he indeed truly loved Donna Lee, then what would have pushed him to this extent, to which some individuals have said it was a jealous rage. An argument ensued, and as you know, domestic issues against women are definitely on the rise worldwide. And this also highlights that situation too as well. Your significant other, your woman, your partner, is not your pitney. You cannot physically discipline your partner. And in these situations, it always turns out tragic. So maybe that's the situation. Law enforcement, however, have stated that they have found no motive for why this took place. So law enforcement is basically classifying this as a senseless act. And that's how we see there was no reason for Donna's life to be taken. She's a hard-working member of society, law-abiding citizen, with what has been revealed to be a promising future. Talk to me in the comment section. This is definitely a tragedy. And not only is the family, but the supporters, which seem to be the entire island and anybody across the world who has heard this story, wants justice for Donna Dance and our family. And if you agree, drop a like on the video. Of course, drop a comment in the comment section. If you're new to the channel, click the subscribe icon, then the bell icon, and of course, put it on all. And this is how you know you'll be notified of all fresh content as soon as fresh content is uploaded and made available for you right here on the platform. Now, until the reason again, live, love, and prosper, and stay tuned.